Yeah, get out of hand now. What hand summers have to do with cigarettes?
Oh, no. Pretty like fully spotted on the dress. Just like that.
So, smoking. So, any smokers in the room?
No. I don't smoke, but my
I'm
dad
guilty.
said. My daddy say if you should smoke, God will make a chimney in the top of your head. Chimney.
Anybody listen to Kermit FM? If you listen to the Kermit FM, you'll hear us once a month and there. We're going to give a update. We do a awareness session out in the community. So listen to the Kermit. With Christine Bell. You recommended daily amount of salt.
A what?
The daily recommended amount of salt.
6 salt.
Who agree with that? Madam? You agree?
Did you say 6 what?
6 grams.
One round teaspoon.
That's good.
For the day.
Yes. But then if you think of that rounded teaspoon, bread,
times a day.
I know.
cubes, everything else, the salt in it. So we have more than 6 grams.
If you have too much, what happens?
Blood pressure.
Your blood pressure will fall. So, is everything in moderation? What I said? Everything in moderation. The same amount of sodium. But the sodium that bad for you. So what the man said, we need to make our heart last for life.
Yeah.
You only have one heart, so look after it. Because when it's gone, it's no use the tablet ain't gonna work. Do something now while you can.